Jai Hind friends, do you have it in you? Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel which has especially been designed for NDA aspirants. Now to qualify any examination, first of all we have to do a reverse engineering. Means what are those qualities which the panelists look for in the candidate, right? So for that, let's understand what is NDA all about. Now NDA is basically National Defense Academy, right? So they are looking for young, intelligent and highly responsible people who are willing to work and do the best for the nation and for the society, right? So let's have a look. NDA is basically National Defense Academy, right? They conduct a test, right? Now, in their test, they check the mathematical skills of the candidate, right? And then their verbal skills, and then their general knowledge, means general awareness. Then they check the analytical skills, and moreover, they check the quick and accurate response of the candidate, right? And finally, they test your strength. So what do you have to do? You have to show your strength, right? So let's understand it once again. To get an officer class job, there are two entries. First is after 10 plus 2, that is after 12th, you can enter to get an officer class job, of course in defense, through NDA. Means after qualifying NDA entrance exam, they will make you a graduate, right? And then after the completion of your graduation, then you will be getting a officer class post in defense. Now on the second stage, basically the second way through which you can enter and get an officer class job in defense is through CDS, that is Combined Defense Services, and which is appeared basically in that exam you can appear after graduation, right? So NDA is for those aspirants who have just passed or appeared in 10 plus 2, right? Basically class 12. You have just passed and you have just appeared. So they test your mathematical skills, your calculations, how fast and accurate you are into the calculations, right? And then they check your verbal skills. Verbal skill means your English. They test your English. Is it up to the mark, right? And then they test your analytical skills. Is your brain having an analytical power? That are you able to correlate various incidents and make a sequence and then to finally come to the particular conclusion, right? This is how analytical approach all about, right? And then they check your general awareness, your general knowledge. Are you able to understand and are you able to gather the concrete knowledge from the current affairs, what's going on in the entire universe, right? Those important incidents, those important news which play a major role, like what's the Indo-Pak defense policies, what is the policies between India and rest of the nations, right? What sort of defense activities are going on, right? So basically these general awarenesses, these general knowledges are the most important thing for defense, right? Next, they really want to check your quick and accurate response, how quickly and correctly you respond, right? And ultimately they just want to see your strength, right? So you have to show your strength, right? Show your best strength. Let them understand that you are the best candidate for them. Are you getting? Is the point clear? So every time you have to talk to yourself that do you have it in you? Do you have it in you? Now, why is it called every time that do you have it in you? What is there that they are looking for? Right? So they are looking for your passion. Are you passionate about your success? Are you willing to work for the nation with your full power and energy? Right? So this is the most important challenging job for anyone. Right? So this is moreover a service. You need to be ready for the service to the nation. Right? Right? So every time, what do you have to do? You have to look at the mirror and you need to understand that what are your strengths, how you can enhance it. Are you getting? This particular service is especially for you. You are the best candidate. You have to prove it and you have to show it. Right? Every time you have to show that yes, you are the best. You can do better than the best. Right? Whenever you see yourself, there must be an eye contact. When you talk to somebody, there must be an eye contact with others. Right? Let them understand that yes, you are the best candidate. You are the only one who is born to serve the nation with courage, with passion. Hope the point is clear and you will definitely enjoy my series of videos. We will understand each and everything and we will follow the step-by-step approach. Right? We will understand what are the mathematical skills which are required. So, the level of mathematics which are asked in this examination is 10 plus 2. Right? And then the verbal skills. We will study about English. How to improve your communication skills and bring it up to the level of National Defense Academy. Right? Till then, take care, bye-bye, and keep on asking you and identifying the lion inside you. Do you have it in you? Thank you.